In the last 2 weeks, the Ukrainian army has carried out offensive operations against a large number of Russian targets. Many of these targets were on Russian territory. The Ukrainian army, which left the Kremlin in a desperate situation with its attacks on ammunition depots, ammunition production facilities, oil facilities, and military bases, continued its attacks. Ukrainian forces continued their operations in the region by strengthening their offensive and defense positions on the front line. The Ukrainian army, which continues its reconnaissance operations, especially in the Tavriia direction, detects and destroys Russian ammunition depots in this region. The Ukrainian army neutralizes more than 400 Russian soldiers in a day in the Tavriia direction. Ukrainian forces, which destroyed 97 Russian equipment the other day, continue their operations. The most logical strategy of Ukraine in the region is that the reconnaissance teams especially detect Russian ammunition depots in the region and inform the attack troops of their location. The Ukrainian army managed to destroy an ammunition depot and a facility detected in the direction of Tavriia the other day. By destroying ammunition depots behind the Russian front line, Ukraine aims to reduce the number of ammunition shipments to the soldiers on the front line. Do you think Ukraine's strategy is correct?